All right. Now, here's what we're going to do. Listen. As you can see, this slide is only in Creole. So we're going to get to the point where I want you to get used to what I'm saying in Creole. Now, before we get to it, I wanted to introduce you to it so you know what it is about. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to try to understand this. I'm going to read them, try to understand what I'm saying. All right? And at some point, I will translate for you. But for now, just forget about translation. Forget about English. Forget about English. Now, let's try to understand what I'm saying right now. Okay? Let's start with the title. The title says devoir. 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 Now, you're used to that word. Homework. That's correct. Homework. Devoir. Okay. Présenter tête. Devoir. Devoir ou pral faire. Devoir ça, c'est ou même qui pral faire. Devoir pour présenter tête. Présenter tête. Suivre modèle dans commencement leçon. Suivre modèle dans commencement leçon. That's a little hard for you to understand, right? Suivre modèle dans commencement leçon. Présenter tête. Dis-nous qui est souillé, qui zone ou sorti, qui côté ou t'es étudié. The first thing is, number one, as you're looking at your slide, it says présenter tête. That's presenting yourself, right? You're going to present yourself. A, what you're going to do? Suivre modèle dans commencement leçon. Suivre modèle dans commencement leçon. That means you will follow the model in the lesson. A, you will follow that model, and then B, to present yourself. So A tells you to follow the model, B says to present yourself. And C, dis-nous qui est souillé. Dis-nous qui est souillé. Tell us who you are. Qui zone ou sorti. Qui zone ou sorti. Tell us where you come from. Qui côté ou t'es étudié. Qui côté ou t'es étudié. It will tell us where you studied, so where you went to college. That's what that means. That was number one. Now number two. Let's go. What does it say? Try to understand. I'm going to say everything in Creole. I'm going to read it slowly. Try to help you to understand, and after that we'll try to translate that as well. All right? Let's go. Soulier article ak pronom personnel yo dans premier page leçon 11 là. Soulier article ak pronom personnel yo dans premier page leçon 11 là. Soulier article ak pronom personnel yo dans premier page leçon 11 là. Écrit article yo yon bo. Écrit article yo yon bo. Écrit article yo yon bo. Écrit pronom personnel yo yon l'autre bo. Écrit article yo yon bo. Écrit pronom personnel yo yon l'autre bo. Now, what did I just say? Number 2. Underline the articles and the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns in the first page of lesson 11, which is this lesson. So, first slide. You just go to the first slide, and the text we have, what do? You underline the articles and the personal pronouns. You will underline them. All right? And once you're done doing that, you're gonna take a piece of paper. That's what A is telling us to do. You're gonna write the articles in one column, and B tells us to write the pronouns, the personal pronouns, in the other side. One side, articles, the other side, the personal pronouns. That's your homework. Now, do that, and then once you're done doing that, you pause the lesson. You do exactly what we just told you to do. You do 1 and you do 2. And after that, you come back. Now, once you come back, we will revise everything with you, see if you get it right. All right? That is it.